If you think AI is still just a chatbot living inside a web browser, you are already living in the past.
In early 2026, an open-source project called OpenClaw, affectionately known across the internet as the Lobster, completely broke the tech world.
It crossed 300,000 GitHub stars in record time. Tech giants are scrambling to integrate it, and everyday people are using it to automate their lives. Tech giants are scrambling to integrate it, and everyday people are using it to automate their entire lives. But what exactly is OpenClaw? How does it actually work under the hood? And more importantly, why are cybersecurity experts absolutely terrified of it? Today, we are looking under the shell of the most powerful and dangerous AI agent of the year. To understand how OpenClaw works, you first need to unlearn what you know about ChatGPT or Claude. Traditional AI is reactive. You type a prompt, it types an answer, and then it goes to sleep. OpenClaw is fundamentally different. It is a self-hosted, autonomous agent. If you ask a normal AI to organize your inbox, it will give you a list of instructions. If you ask OpenClaw to organize your inbox, it will literally log into your email, read the threads, delete the spam, and draft replies to your boss. It doesn't tell you how to do the work. It does the work. And instead of a website, it lives in the apps you already use, like WhatsApp, Slack, and Discord, running 24/7 on your local hardware. So, how does the underlying architecture actually achieve this? OpenClaw relies on 4 core layers. Layer 1 is the gateway layer. Think of this as the central nervous system. It uses WebSockets to orchestrate messages, acting as the bridge between your text messages on Telegram or Slack and the AI's brain. Layer 2 is the reasoning layer. This is where the large language model sits, wrapped in a massive system prompt. It analyzes your request and breaks it down into a step-by-step plan for the system to execute. Layer 3 is the memory system. Chatbots have terrible memories, but OpenClaw uses something called context compaction. It continuously writes and compresses its memory logs to your local hard drive, learning your habits over time. This means it actually learns your projects and your preferences, becoming more efficient with every task. Finally, layer 4 is the skills and execution layer. This is the actual claw that gives the AI its power. This layer gives the AI permission to execute shell commands, read your files, browse the internet, and trigger APIs. It turns the AI's abstract thoughts into physical, concrete actions on your personal computer. But here is the brutal truth. Giving an autonomous AI the ability to run raw code on your PC is a security nightmare. Because OpenClaw has local system access, a malicious plugin or a clever prompt injection could allow a hacker to hijack your machine. Recently, security researchers found malware hiding in the OpenClaw plugin marketplace, exposing thousands of users. Over 30,000 instances were found publicly exposed to the internet, vulnerable to crypto phishing scams. This is exactly why major companies like NVIDIA have rushed to release tools like NemoClaw, a secure alternative. It is an open shell plugin designed to put the lobster inside a secure, isolated sandbox, protecting your host machine. If you want to run OpenClaw, you must use Docker or Podman to contain it. Never give it full root access. Despite the risks, OpenClaw is a massive leap forward. It represents the endgame of digital employees. It's moving AI from a simple tool you chat with to a true, proactive teammate that works alongside you. Are you bold enough to install your first digital employee? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this technical breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI deep dives. See you in the next one.